How to delete all posts on Facebook at once. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So unfortunately, there is no such feature until now in Facebook where you can delete all the posts at once automatically. What you will have to do instead is go through the post individually one by one and then delete it manually. So to do so, go to your Facebook, go to your profile icon, and here you will find all your post. Now in order to delete it, tap on this three dot and then you'll get an option of delete. Select delete and done. Make sure you go through every post and then select move to bin. If there is a delete button, go to delete button. If there is no delete button, there should be move to bin button, and then after pressing on that, your post will be deleted. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.